Bellwether provides various wire-to-board connector solutions to satisfy all customers' demands. High current connectors are applicable for high power distribution. The unique locking mechanism of the connectors allow them to withstand the 4-axis wrenching force. Bellwether's foolproof connector design eliminates mating failures and prevents further negative safety consequences when turning on the power. Terminals are correctly positioned in the housing with the Terminal Position Assurance Retainer. The TPA design can also avoid the terminal pull-out risk. The blind mating interface is also available in Bellwether's wire-to-board connectors family. Very useful design when it is hard to reach during the mating process. Bellwether provides a wide range of wire-to-board connectors with different pitches and features. Single row, dual row, vertical, right angle, dip, kink, press fit, SMT, fork lock, fitting nail, different pin counts. The Bellwether wire-to-board connectors are your best choice to create the most precise solution. Innovation, speed, customer satisfaction. Your best partner. Bellwether.